Justice for Cherish, a death sentence for the man convicted of kidnapping, raping, and murdering 8-year-old Cherish Perrywinkle brings satisfaction to Cherish's mother and friends, even to jurors. Joy is here now with reaction to today's court proceedings. Joy.
Mary, not only was Donald Smith sentenced to death, the judge also gave him life in prison for the rape and kidnapping of the little girl. 61-year-old convicted child killer Donald Smith didn't say a word in court as Circuit Judge Mallory Cooper sentenced him to death for murdering 8-year-old Cherish Perrywinkle.
Donald James Smith, may God have mercy on your soul.
Judge Cooper coming out of retirement to see this case through to the end.
I can say burn in hell. That's what I want to say. I want him to burn in hell.
Cherish Perrywinkle's mother, Rayne, has waited nearly 5 years to see Smith sentenced. 5 years since Smith lured her daughter away from a Northwest Jacksonville Walmart, promising to buy her clothes and food. The two of them seen leaving on security footage from that night. Cherish's body was later found discarded in the woods behind a church. Those who knew the little girl say she had the ability to make you feel loved, as now 15-year-old Georgia Lane explained to our Tarek Minor after hearing news of the sentencing. The two girls had been friends.
Personally, I think he deserved it because she didn't deserve that.
Someone else who didn't have to be in court for Smith's sentencing.
Please tell all the other jurors thank you for Cherish.
Juror number 18, Paul Hinson, who helped convict Smith and recommended the death penalty, and met Cherish's mother for the first time Wednesday.
It's not really a celebration. It's a win for the prosecution, but it's a closure for everybody for him to have to deal with what he did.
What's next for Cherish's mom? A pledge to work to keep people like Smith from hurting other children. Smith, a convicted sex offender before killing Cherish.
He was let out for 21 days before he did this. The police knew who he was. We as a community did not know who he was.
Now, though the jury and judge agreed that Smith should die, the Florida Constitution requires the Florida Supreme Court to review the case, and of course, that could take years. Mary?
Thank you, Joy. Our coverage of this story continues right now on news4jax.com, where you can find the uncut video of Judge Cooper sentencing Donald Smith to death, as well as the emotional interview with Cherish's mother outside of court. Just look inside this story on the homepage